Hi, I'm Russell Dulaney, and in this video I'd like to show you the RD300 LED panel manufactured by Red Dot LED. So this is how it comes packaged. It's packed very nicely with some thick foam in there. And first thing you'll see is they got a quick setup instruction sheet. It's really easy to use. We'll go over that in just a second. Of course, you have one pair of protective eyewear. It comes with the main power cord as well as a daisy chaining power cord so you can connect multiple units together. Here is a metal bracket that you can use to hang the unit over a door if you'd like. And they also give you a couple of metal cables to suspend it with that bracket. There's also a hook and a pulley system. When you're hanging it over a door, you can use this to adjust the height of the unit. And then they give you an Allen key so you can adjust. You'll see there's a kickstand on the unit. When you go to use it on just a tabletop, you can just throw the kickstand out like that, and then when you got it at the angle you want, just tighten down the screw with the Allen key. Okay, so there's the unit. You'll see it's very nice, rugged metal construction, and it's pretty heavy. There's all your LEDs on the front of the panel here, and then on the side you have your control panel. It's got a display for the time session, and there's 3 buttons: model, time, and OK. Model lets you cycle through between red light, infrared, or both. Time allows you to adjust the time that's set on the unit, and then OK allows you to turn it on and off. On the back you'll see here's the main power switch. This is the daisy chaining switch. Here's where the main power cord plugs into, and then this is the daisy chaining port. When you're hanging it on a door, these are the spots that you can use, or also you can use that for daisy chaining multiple units with these holes here. So let's go ahead and plug the unit in. I'll show you how it operates and its output. Standard 110 volt plug. And then on the main power switch, I'll just turn it on. For the time, I'll switch it to say 4 minutes, and then for the model, we're going to have just red light first. I'll hit OK so it turns on, and there you go. So you see it's emitting the red light right now, and this is at 660 nanometers. That's the wavelength it's outputting. I have a red light meter here. This is made by Solar Meter, and their website is solarmeter.com. This is model 9.6 red light meter. The peak response is actually at 633, but that's pretty close for what we're doing here. It's reading in milliwatts per centimeter squared. So I'm going to come out here about 5-6 inches, and you can see it's at about 20 milliwatts per centimeter squared. So pretty good output in that wavelength. Hit OK. I'm going to hit model and switch it to infrared. Now I think it's important to understand that the human eye cannot see infrared light. We see 400 to 700 nanometers, and this is outputting 850 nanometers on the infrared. So I have this is a light meter that is also from solarmeter.com, but this one is their model 10.0. The peak response is at 960 nanometers. Again, this is at 850. This is close for what we're doing here. So the infrared, I'll turn it on. And again, you can't see anything. The camera might be picking something up, but I can't see anything right now. Now, when you go out about, again, 5-6 inches here, you see the unit is putting out 650, almost 700 watts per meter squared. So that's pretty good. Again, in the infrared region, you're getting a lot of good output there. I'm going to hit OK and turn it off. I'm going to turn both of them on and then recheck it again here. So this is red light and infrared. The red Again, 5/6 inches, no change really. It's close to 20, about 18 or so, 19 almost milliwatts per centimeter squared. And then on the infrared here, we're getting, now it's close to 1,950 or so on the output there. So you can see it's really good output. So there. Well, if you'd like more details, I'm going to put a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.